Hi there, Tam here from Perfect Supplements Australia. Hope you're well and thanks for joining me in my kitchen today. I'm going to be showing you how to make my tropical gut healing smoothie bowl. Enjoy. So the basis of a good smoothie bowl is frozen bananas. It makes it like an ice cream sort of texture. So I've got my frozen bananas here. Then I'm going to use half a red papaya, one lime, the flesh of one lime, one mango, and then I'm going to add some Perfect MCT oil and the Perfect Hydrolyzed Collagen powder for the gut healing element. Then I'm going to whiz it all up in my blender, pop it into a bowl and top it with some granola. So as you can see in my blender jug, I've got the frozen bananas, roughly 4 or 5 small frozen ladyfinger bananas, or you could use a couple of large Cavendish. And then I've added the flesh of the mango, the lime, the papaya, and now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of the Perfect MCT oil. And then I'm going to add 2 scoops of the Perfect Hydrolyzed Collagen powder, because this is for 2 people. Then I'm going to whiz it up, and if I need to, I'll just add a tiny bit of like almond or coconut milk. And let's not forget to add some ice as well, because it wouldn't be a smoothie bowl or a smoothie without ice. So I only just added the smallest dash of liquid to this. I just used this almond and coconut milk just to make it blend properly. So now it's all blended, I'm going to add in my hydrolyzed collagen powder. So now I'm going to pour the smoothie mixture into my bowls. If you don't have coconut bowls, don't worry. You can use any bowl, doesn't matter. It all tastes the same. So I've just topped the smoothie bowls with some passion fruit. And this one's a coconut granola. And I've used a paleo granola. So there you have it. It's my tropical gut healing smoothie bowls. I'll leave the recipe below in the description. If you liked today's video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can see my dog in the background. Hey Zen. Hey. What you got? Be sure to tap the bell to receive notifications. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.